Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today it's just going to be an unboxing of the Lovelula, but I think there might be a nail polish in this box just because it's got it ticked there. So Lovelula is £13.95 a month. You can get it on a 6, 12 or a 1 month box. It also is international, and yeah, this is also cruelty free, and it's just, I think it might be vegan, I'm not sure, but it could be. Right, so we're just gonna unbox it like so. Sorry if the lighting's not very good in here, it's just a little bit dark in places, but it's okay, we will get through it. Right, okay, so this is a, what is it? Oh, it's a Kathleen Pure with pure rose orange nutmeg essential oils. So this boosts your senses. It's a bubble bath. I'm sure we got the muscle rub last time with this one. I'm sure of it. It's Kathleen. It is a good make that, the massaging oil. It really is. It's good stuff, the massaging oil. But I'm sure that's it. It's made in the UK, and it just says put 2 to 3 cups in your bath. Well, I don't have a bath, so that will be going in a giveaway. So okay, so that is that. Right, okay, so we do have a nail varnish, and I do need my nails doing. So there we go. This is the Glossy Works one. We've had Glossy Works before in a, I'm not sure if it was in this box, Lovelula, last year sometime. We got it. Right, and so this must be a good base coat, I can see, or top coat. No, it's a silver one. So we have 2 nail varnishes, and then I shall just take some of this. Oh, we've gone blurry. Oh, what has happened? Didn't want that to happen. Never mind. It's okay. It's back. Right, okay, so we have got a Seascape Refresh Hand and Nail Cream. That looks nice. I do like the packaging on that, it's really pretty. So then we have got a, what is this? This is a handmade hair care. Oh, it's a heat protection spray for your hair. Okay, hit it. Ooh, nearly dropped it. Right, so that is the end of the box. Right, okay, so we will just have a look at this first. I'm not going to open that because it's a giveaway, so I'm not really going to open it. Right, the giveaway is, if when I get to 600 subscribers, then I will give the products away. What you have to do is you have to obviously like, share, and be subscribed to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram, and just let me know in the comments if you want to be in with a chance of winning this and other products in a box I have somewhere. I have a box full of stuff. It's just when I get to 600 I will draw it on my channel. Right, okay, so there we go. So that is that. Right, so this is a nail varnish, and I'll just put a bit on. You'll not see it. Well, no, you won't see it at all. Maybe I will regret doing that later in a little while. Right, so this is also the Glossy Works silver one. So there we go. And it's just silver. Right. So this is the hand cream. Just open it up. does have a strong smell, that nail varnish, but it's not quick drying. Right, so there we go. There is the hand cream. Right, so it says it's a Seascape Ireland. What does that say? Apothecary, I don't know. Right, so there we go. Oh, it's just all come out like that. Oh, it does have a nice scent. It has like a lemon scent, but it's a really nice lemon scent. It's gorgeous. Really hydrating as well. It's perfect for this colder type of weather. It's like really is nice on the hands and it makes my hands feel soft. I do like that. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love it. Right, so this is a refreshing hand nail cream. It contains 100% natural essential oils of Jersey lavender. I could definitely smell it, but I got a lemon scent too, and that is because it has lemongrass in it. So this is to tone and refresh. It has geranium in it to balance as well, and it cleanses the hands, and it does that beautifully. I love it. So this also has a beeswax in it and natural shea butter to nourish the skin and the cuticles. It really is a good hand cream, so I give that a thumbs up. It's good stuff. So this is made in the UK by Seascape Ireland, and you can get it at www.seascape.uk or just buy the Lovelula box. You will get it there, but it's really good. So then the next item, what we got is a Harry Jane handmade hair care. So this is the heat protection one, or you could use it with as a perfume. So it just says restyle between washes, and it's a floral scent. So we'll just try it on my hair. Oh, it does have a nice scent to it. It's gorgeous. The scent is lovely. It's like really a nice perfumey scent. So I just put a bit on my hair. It's not going to make it look fantastic, but the scent is amazing. It really is amazing scent. I like it a lot. So I'm just going to do this side because I really want it to smell nice. Because I'm going off to a Christmas market. And I want my hair looking and smelling nice. Is anybody else going to a Christmas market? I go to them every Christmas, every year, really. That's what I like to do. The best one for me is Garstang. I love Garstang Christmas market. You'll probably not know where Garstang is if you're in America, but it's in Lancaster and it's beautiful. It's like oldie worldy and it's just gorgeous. I love Garstang Christmas market. That does smell nice though. It does have the scent of geranium and bergamot and vanilla. That's the scent you're supposed to get with it. And also it does have a best before date on it, which is really good. This tells me that this will be no longer usable after November the 20th. It also has the batch number on it as well, so you can look that up. It's just really a good product. It's really good. Can you see it? Don't know whether you can see it. My camera's not being the best today. It's like having one of its off days, but there we go. It does have a nice scent to it. I love it. It makes my hair feel nice as well, a little bit. Right, okay, so we got in this month's box, love it. These two. I'm not sure about these two because you need to put them on So my box this month is all of this for £13. That would be quite nice. I don't know whether I could show you it. This one would be lovely in a bar. But there we go. There it is. If it's got a silver top on it, it's a very lemony scent, like a light lemony scent. It just really is a nice one. So there we go. Please subscribe to my channel and you will get a box of goodies when I hit the 600 subscribers. So there we go. Right, so if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye!